All right, so I'm in Home Depot getting supplies to get ready to head up to the land. We'll go up there and get it in. Me and Duke, the wife, went on a girls' trip to Vegas. So she's out having fun. The kids are gonna go and enjoy their time with their uncle and cousins. So that allows me to get up to the land and really get some work done. So the project today, we're not starting on the shed, but what we're gonna do is build a new deck for the travel trailer. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of the Golden Spirit Homestead. I am getting my morning started. We're getting ready to head up. It's about 4:30 right now. Gotta go up there and build a deck. Let's get started. Hey, good morning. All right, guys, we are on the road, headed up to the property. Just me today and Duke. I think he's back there asleep. We got a lot of work to do. I got to tear down that deck and then build the new one. So excited. It's the first time I've been up there without the family, so a little sad on that, but nevertheless, we got work to do. All right, well, we made it up, but as you can see behind me, and maybe you can hear it, it's raining, so can't start on the deck, but the deck definitely needs to be redid. The weather up here has beat it up, so yeah, I'm gonna sit back, eat a little bit, and wait for the rain to stop. And if it don't stop, then I'm gonna be working in the rain. Hey, gotta get it done. Nice little light rain. The deck definitely needed. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see how it's all tore up. So just waiting for the rain to stop. Look at those clouds. All right, we got the deck stripped, the old deck stripped. So thank God. Let me tell you, that deck board that they had on here, it was water soaked. Excuse my vernacular, that shit was heavy. I got it all ready to be hauled back down, taken to the dump. So now, all I gotta do is take these pallets. I got a little pallet pile over there. I'm actually happy. These pallets are in good condition, so, most of them. So I'll end up using them later, to stack wood on, or some kind, who knows, a simple little pump house project. I can use one of these and make a simple pump house out of. It's getting stripped down. A lot more work to go. Alrighty. We got the old one that's all gone and cleaned up now. So now I'm going to start the layout process. Kind of map out where I'm going to have the deck. Start digging holes, mixing some concrete, and get going on this one. All right, got it framed out. I like the level to where the RV front door is. So now, all I have to do is get it set in the center blocks. And then today I'm gonna once I get them set in the center blocks, then I'm gonna add some concrete in those center blocks. So that'll be the foundation, make it nice and sturdy. Right now, you see, it doesn't move. So it's solid, but putting them concrete blocks on it is just gonna help it up here where it's pretty windy. All right, now I'm gonna spray the joints or the studs. I'll spray the studs down with some Flex Seal so it'll have some type of sealant in between where the boards meet. All right. So as you can see, I've got the blocks with cement. They're cemented to the end. Cemented in. I sprayed that black that you see, a little bit of the black that you see is Flex Seal, because I wanted something to be in between where the boards, where this plywood and my studs meet. Hopefully it doesn't rot out, because normally that's where water accumulates and then it starts to rot out. So I'm gonna spray down along in between here also, so that this top board don't rot out also. But I'm gonna paint over the top when it's all done. I got some paint that I brought. It's deck paint. It's a nice gray. So I'm gonna paint it all gray, and we'll see how it looks when it's all done. But so far, I think it's coming along. All right. Again, guys, this is just how I do it. I'm not a carpenter. Um, you know, this was something that I knew I needed a bigger deck, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money, you know, trying to get one built. So I did this deck, supplies, everything. I was roughly about 305 bucks. So not bad. All right, guys, I got up this morning, put a little paint on it, and looks good to me. So it's finished up. Let's take a look. So not bad for 300 bucks. Um, you know, it was better than what we had, and I like the way it looks. Makes it look a lot cleaner. All right, so that's going to do it for this project and this weekend. I'm going to get back down to Phoenix, get back to my family. It was fun. Yeah, I mean, it was enjoyable having a quiet time, just me and Duke. But I realize now how much we hang out and how big of a part of my life they are.